Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Okay, we are doing some nails. So, on my nails, this beautiful green is from Madam Glam. This is called Apple Martini. Madam Glam polishes are vegan, cruelty-free, TPO-free, 21-free, HEMA-free, and palm oil-free. So I did 2 coats and I've cured that. So I'm just going to put those aside for the moment. Stamping plate we are going to use is called Cicada and Bugs, and it's number 129. I've used this one once, I think. So I decided to revisit it and do some nails. I want to try an experiment too. So first off, this guy looks kind of cool. So I want to do him, but I think he's going to be a little bit big for which nail I want to put him on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shrink it, and I'm going to use my shrinking stamper. So you take off the lid, and then you want to twist the stamper till it gets to the end. So you will have your stamper rounded. So I'm just going to put that aside for now. And I'm going to grab my stamping polish. So, oh, I forgot my stamper card, of course. Okay, grab that. Okay. So, now we're going to take the stamper, push that aside. So I always undo it a couple notches, and then I pop it off. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of... Now, I've never seen one of these cicadas. They don't, they're not where I live. So I had to Google them. They're kind of ugly. And then I had to ask Robin, I'm like, okay, which is, like, are they all? So I'm just kind of putting the stamper over top just to see if he's going to fit, and he will. So I'm going to put that on the middle nail. I guess I should clean that. I need to, so I'm going to put that aside. I need to, I lost my train of thought. Oh, clean my stampers. So they're getting kind of yucky. So I thought, oh, okay. And then I'm going to do a ladybug because I like ladybugs. I want to kind of see if I can do like a 3D one. So we're going to do this one because I think it'll look kind of cool. So I'm going to put that one on the ring finger. So there. So just got to move things out of my way so I don't knock these over. So I got 2 now. And, oh, I had one here. I didn't have to shrink him. Sometimes I forget to look. So she'll, on a lot of her plates, she'll do small images and then big images like this one, this one, this one. But sometimes I'd like to shrink them because sometimes the small ones are a little too small and then the big ones are a little bit too big. This way I get the best of both worlds. They're both, so it's like medium size. So I think on my ring or my thumb, because it's a big one, I might do this one. I wanted to do a variety because I did use this plate once, but I didn't use as many images as I wanted to, because I think I just did it for a collab. So, and these guys kind of look like praying mantises, but apparently they're cicadas, so. But they do. They look like big praying mantises or big grasshoppers. Okay, so I need 2 more. So maybe I'll do, on the baby finger, I'll do one of these guys. Okay, so that picked up well. Just going to get rid of everything I don't want. So there. So that's 4. So I need 1 more. So I need 1 for the index finger. So what should we do? Okay, I might use I Love Cicadas. That'll fit on the nail. Oh, actually what I might do is I'm going to do a leaf and then I'll add the I Love Cicadas after. I don't know. I don't really love them because I don't really know them. But, okay. My, I'm going to turn this around because I didn't get the very edge. So if you don't pick it up correctly, because I didn't go all the way to the end of the plate, so I didn't get it all picked up. There, that's better. So, okay, so I am going to clean up my area here a bit, and then we'll come back and do some coloring in. Okay, 1 second. Okay, so first up, grab some red, and then I can do my ladybug. Actually, I have 2 ladybugs. So I'm just gonna grab polish. So I've got a fair bit, so I'm just gonna kind of move it around. And then make sure I try and make sure I stain the lines. And then turn it over. I got a, looks like I got an air bubble right there. There, I popped it. Yeah, I didn't want to leave the air bubble because then it would stay, and I'm like, ah. So I got a ladybug here. So I'm just going to go in and fill it in. Got 1 little spot here. So that's why you turn it over, so you can make sure that you don't miss any spots. I got 1 more spot here. So I just tap in. Okay, we're good. So we'll move that over out of the way. So now I'm just going to rinse off my brush. And just going to grab some green. I got this green the other day, tan lime. And then yesterday, I was at Shoppers to pick up my husband's medications. And I grabbed these two Sally Hansen's. One is called Sun Kissed and the other one is Purple Craze. So, because I didn't have a really dark purple. And I have some oranges, but I like this orange. I figured it was a brighter orange. Okay, get stamping before, or get filling in before it dries up on my palette. This green isn't as opaque as I thought it would be, but that's okay. So I'm just gonna turn it around, and then I can go back and fill in what I'm missing. So, okay, I'll put that aside. So now I have these guys. Now I noticed they were kind of orange on some of these spots, so I'm actually going to use this orange. I don't know if it's so when I'd open this polish like it's brand new and it's all dried out. Crap. I have to I don't like that. I don't like when people do that. So I'm just going to kind of do his body. And then I'm going to grab a yellow. So I'm going to do the rest of him yellow. We should probably do part of him brown too. So I think he was different colors. Let's grab a brown, do his face brown. There. Okay, now for his wings. You know I'm doing my sparkly. Because he's got wings. I always love doing their wings this color because it's cool. I might, because it's going on a green, I might actually, once it's dry, I might put like a little bit of brown on the back of it so it's a little darker. So, and then this guy, I'm going to put this on his wings. And then Doing his arms and his face orange, but I'm going to do the rest of him brown. So I can go over his orange a little bit, make him a little darker. Okay, one sec. Okay, so I'm gonna do I mixed the orange and the yellow together, so I'm gonna kind of do the center of the flower, and then I'm gonna do the rest of it white, because I think it's like more like a daisy. I don't know. Okay, hang on. Okay, so now I'm gonna go from the center, or like the edge of the petals, and then go in. And this way I can kind of fill them in better. And then because I've already painted everything already on the inside of the flower, I can go over it. It won't affect it. And then if I put too much on, then I can go right to the center. And then I just twirl the stamper around, go around the flower, and then I find it easy to paint. Okay, and then I can go right over it. And then I got a little hole there, so we're going to fill that in. And look at that. Doesn't that look pretty? Okay, so I'm going to let these dry for about 10-15 minutes. And then we will be back and put them on the nails. Okay, one moment. Okay, they should be dry now, so I'm just going to take... so, we're going to do this. No, this one goes on the middle now. So I'm just going to center and then touch down. So that's one. Then this one, he goes on the pinky. And then ring finger. We're going to do a ladybug. Then we're going to do the leaves. And then the ladybug. So I think it goes this way. So I'm going to kind of put it in the center of the nail. Okay. Don't they look cute? Okay. Oops. Now, I see they have, like when people do the 3D stuff, they have like this thicker viscosity of gel. I'm going to try using my Madame Glam. It's a clear fiberglass base coat. Oh, I should use builder gel. Hang on. Okay, I actually could just grab this Born Pretty builder gel that I have, and it's clear. So, actually, I don't really want to put it on my palette because I use my palette for regular polish. I guess it doesn't really matter, but I'm just going to use tin foil because I just cleaned off the palette. I don't want to have to clean it again. So I'm just going to put some here. So I just want to put it on the little ladybug, because I thought it would be kind of cool for him to be kind of 3D. Can you tell? Okay, I'm going to pop it into the lamp. I think, hang on. There. Okay. I'm going to do this ladybug. I don't know. I'm just kind of experimenting a little more and see. I thought it would look kind of cool. So I'm just kind of moving it around to the edge, but not trying to go over. I think that looks cool. Okay. Pop that one in the lamp. Okay. And then I'm going to do the leaves on the big cicada, because I thought that would look kind of cool too. So I got it on the it makes, and it kind of, it looks kind of cool. So just put the blob in the middle, and then I'm just gonna kind of work it back and forth. Oh, and I just noticed I leaned. Okay, put it upside down for a sec. It's a little runny, so it kind of went over the edge a little bit, but because I tilted it. So I'm just going to take it off because I don't want it. What I could have done is done one and then the other. Because when I tilt the nail one way and go the other, it yeah, damn it. Okay, let's flash freeze it. Put it in there. Okay, one sec. Okay, so it's not as high as what I wanted. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back in with a little bit of more gel. And I'm just going to do one. Stick it in my lamp for a second. Flash freeze it. Now I'm going to do this side. So now you can kind of tell. Okay, into the lamp. Okay, so I'm going to top coat all these now, and then I'll come back with a final look. I'll be right back. Okay, so fresh out of the lamp. So looking this way, you can actually see, and then him as well. And a ladybug. I think the ladybugs, I think they're cute for bugs. Yeah, so I just kind of wanted to kind of experiment and do the 3D kind of look to it. And I actually really love how it turned out. I might have to do like a whole ladybug theme set of nails that are kind of 3D. I really like that look. Okay, I will have products listed down below. I will have swatch photos for you, and then of course I will have Daisy and Pippa. Okay, so thanks for hanging out with me while I did this set of nails. I love how they turned out. Okay, I hope you guys are doing well and you are staying safe. Okay, love you guys, and remember, be someone sparkle. Bye. Daisy loves going for walks. She just pees everywhere though. Okay.